Welding instructor Nathan and Joy, they pointed me in the right direction that I would have never thought I would be in. I thought I would, I'd just be the basic welder and that would be all. But they actually pointed me in the direction of, well, if you can be a welder, you can be more than a welder. You can be a supervisor. You can be a plant manager. In the long run, it pays off very well. You can start out making start the pay around $15 to $20 an hour, whereas some guys, they go out and do traveling jobs and make $30-something an hour. So it's a very high paying job. Some of the opportunities that I've seen a lot of guys do is go from doing stuff in their backyard to going to big corporations and welding. I am Clarence Wilkins, a graduate from Isothermal.
For more information on the welding program, contact Nathan Fisher or visit isothermal.edu.